welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could do a little vanity makeup tour. I think I'm going to do it more vlog style, where I'm going to actually hold my little Sony camera and show you guys what's on my desk, because this is a lot of setup to move around just to film my vanity. So hopefully you guys like this more vlog style. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Alright, so we're cutting over to my little vlog camera that I have. We're gonna turn around and see what is going on over here. Little Inception setup. So this is where I get ready every day. This is my little vanity area. And let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. So that's my doggy door. Very interesting. But, so these are just my little Alex drawers. Don't mind my cords because I am filming a foundation review, which is set up behind me. But this, normally I don't have all the cords and wires on the daily, just on the weekends when I film. So this is my little vanity. My husband and I made that mirror. Those ones that are turned off are actually warm light bulbs. And I replaced some of them, and I just need to get more to replace all of them with the LED cooler, wider lights. So on my vanity top, I have my eye stuff like eyeliners, eyebrows, mascaras, all that stuff just within reach, and my brushes within reach. I like to keep this stuff up here instead of putting it away in a drawer because I use it all the time. And then over here I have my most favorite, this is my little off-on switch here for my makeup vanity. Move that out of the way. So over here I keep all of my regularly used and reached for palettes. I have a drawer that I keep ones that I don't use that often, but these are the ones that I love and keep up here. I have my Huda Beauty palettes, my Viseart, oh so good, so expensive, but so good. Modern Renaissance, this was the Makeup Geek Manny MUA collab palette. I actually don't use that palette very much, but every time I do, I'm like, this is really good. Why don't I use this more? My limited edition Makeup by Mario Anastasia collab. This is just like a little custom. Let me see if I can open it. These are just some ColourPop shadows. These two right here, this one, I dropped it. It's seen better days. But these two right here are actually Makeup Forever, and they are very old. I probably should throw them out, but I don't want to because they're unique colors and I like them. So, but all the rest of them are my ColourPop single shadows, except for this one, which is a MAC shadow. And then I have my Naked Heat, my Subculture palette, which I don't particularly use that often, but I keep it out just for like, I don't want it to get forgotten about, basically. My Lorac Gold palette, and this is a MAC. I don't know if they still make this, so I won't show you that actually. And then I just have some like disinfecting wipes and some Lysol back here that I use and wipe down on the weekends. This is just kind of a random pile of crap. So these three shadows, it's what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I just got these and I have to make room for them in my drawer, and I wanted to play with them a little bit, so I left them out. This I dropped so I don't put it in my drawer because the little cover's not on there. And these little ColourPop, same thing. I need to make room for them in my drawer. These are just samples, and this is a foundation that I just did a wear test of that I am returning because it's crap. And yeah. All of my liquid lipsticks and like glosses and lip glosses live up here. Not all of them. I should rephrase that. Not all of them. Mostly ColourPop, my Flower Beauty. So these are all matte. These are the ColourPop satin mattes. And then these are just random lip glosses and lip liners and ColourPop of like the sheer lipsticks, the ones that aren't matte. Setting powder, setting sprays and stuff that I use all the time, I keep right up here, but again, I do have more in my drawer. So we'll start on the left side of the drawers. In here, these are all my primers. So yeah, that happened. And then we'll move on from that. These are all of my concealers. Except for right here, that goes there. Here are just like, these are all my liquid highlighters. These technically aren't liquid highlighters, but I use them as like lipstick highlighter toppers, stuff like that. And then in here, I keep all of my pigments, glitters, glitter liners, all that stuff. And a couple have overflowed into here because I don't have room. And then, oh, that goes over there. And then these are all my eyeshadow primers. This is my little Inglot Duraline. This it's like a really good mixing medium to get things to really last. The next drawer is all of my blushes are over here. These are all highlighters. I know, guys. I know. Trust me. It's a problem. Okay, so these are all my highlighters, and yeah, we will just move on. And then in this little section here, I have all of my bronzers. Behind here are my Anastasia Glow kits. I have the Sweets, that Glow, and the Nicole Guerrero one back here. This one was limited edition. They don't have it anymore, so we won't talk about that. Oh, and I have my little Tarte blush palette in here. This, I actually don't use that much, but when I take it with me, if I'm doing someone's makeup for like prom or something, because there's so many different colors in there, and it's just compact and it's really easy to have to travel. The Sweets, I don't know why I got this, I never use it, but these two shades are really pretty. If you guys are looking to get an Anastasia Glow kit, this is the original one, that Glow. This is by far my favorite one. The colors are so beautiful, not glittery at all, just that very really pretty wet highlighter shine look. Okay, so that's that drawer. Okay, and down here, I have all my foundations. Yeah, I know. It's a lot. A lot. I do have reviews for most of these up on my channel. If you guys are interested in knowing my thoughts about any of them, you can search the name of the foundation with my name and it should come up. But yeah, there is a lot. I'm starting to go into like an overflow section back here. Okay, and then this next drawer is just where I keep my palettes that I don't use that much. I just put this Natasha Denona one down here. I'm honestly thinking about putting it up on like one of the makeup selling sites because it was really expensive and I never use it. It's so pretty, and so good. I don't know why I don't use it, but whatever. These two I kept up front because I actually do use these quite a bit. I just needed more room on my desk, so some compromises had to be made. And then these are just single shadows that I don't really use that much. These are little single blushes. And I just have, like I have a Sephora contour and the Hula bronzer in there. This is NARS Orgasm, Dandelion, Coralista by Benefit. And that is a Physicians Formula one. I really like all of those. They just won't fit in my blush drawer. And then back here, I have palettes that I just never use. I have a Morphe palette back there. And then I have my little Urban Decay Electric. This is actually a really good palette, but I use it for Halloween mostly, so I just keep that tucked back in there. Okay, and then this very bottom drawer is literally like my makeup junk drawer. So I just have like all of the samples and stuff that I haven't used and some nail stuff down here. So we won't even go through that. On to the left side. So on the left side, this top drawer is pretty empty. I just have my makeup cleaning wipes and stuff like that in here, and my little, this is so good, you guys, Laneige lip sleeping mask. I have the driest ass lips ever, and if I put this on at night before I go to bed, when I remember to, it works so good, so good. And then I just have like some chapsticks. I just have some chapsticks and some lip masks and stuff like that in here. Back here I just have like spare beauty blenders and stuff like that.
These e.l.f. brush cleaner wipes, I've only found them online. Holy balls, they work so good. They're really, really great if you use like a super pigmented eyeshadow and you need to get your brush clean real quick. Bomb.com and affordable. So yeah, that's all that's in here. Lip exfoliators, nothing exciting. Here are all my powders. Oh wait, I'm missing one. There we go. So in here is where I keep all of my powders. Yeah, no one needs this many powders, just so you're aware. This is not a need. This is, I get one and I try it and then I don't want to take it back because like these are all drugstore mainly. So it's just not worth it to me to take them back. And a lot of them I like, but I'm always on the hunt to try something new. So they just keep accumulating pretty much. Currently, the Maybelline Fit Me, the Too Faced Peach Perfect, and my Laura Mercier are like my go-to. That's pretty much what I reach for. Back here, I just have some ColourPop eyeshadows that I need to go through. And over here are just gel liners. Remember earlier when I said not all of my lipsticks were up on top? Yeah, okay. So here are just like regular lipsticks, like my matte, my Kat Von D are all right here, with the exception of a couple in here. A couple, haha, I'm funny. With the exception of these ones, which are regular lipsticks for the most part in here. So this I keep right on top because I use it daily. This is my Perricone MD No Lipstick lipstick. This I just got, so it's right on top. It was a little free sample of a NARS Orgasm lipstick, and I actually really, really like it. And this is my newest little MAC. Again, I don't have space for it in these, so they all just kind of go right here. Over here are random matte lipsticks that I don't really wear that much, but I still want to keep. And then over here are all my glosses that aren't on my desktop. So these, you can kind of tell, like the top is what I use the most. So I have some NARS, these little Lancome Juicy Shakers in here, and then a few like plumping lip glosses that I really like. And that's in here. This is my little MAC lip palette. I like taking this when I work on clients. And then here are just some more random, there's a couple liquid lipsticks in there, glosses. This is just stuff I don't really use that much, but still want to keep. And then down here is where I keep, so back here is Halloween stuff. So there's like some gooey stuff on this because I was making little like gooey infected wounds. So that's that. But here is some more setting sprays down here. And then my lashes I keep here, lash glue and all that. And then these are lashes back here that I need to clean. And this bottom drawer is all Halloween stuff. So liquid latex, special effects, all that stuff is down here in this bottom drawer.
All right, so that is my makeup collection. It's a lot that I have accumulated over a long period of time, but yeah, I'm set. Do I stop buying? No, but I'm set for life if I ever need to stop buying. Sorry if you guys kind of wanted me to go into the products that are in there a little bit more. There's so much in there that I just feel like that would be like a 2-hour long video, and I just wanted to real quick give you guys a little vanity tour. So hopefully you guys liked it. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Say hi to the people. Yeah. Show them your pretty face. You gotta get taller. You're not in the frame. Oh. Don't claw your sister's face. You guys want some lunch? Do you want some lunch? Yeah. Okay, let's go get it.